Hi guys, it's Amherst Brown back with another video. If you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed, and if you're coming back, hit that like button and let's get on with the video. Okay, so today we're gonna make a homemade margarita. It's my favorite drink, and I mean, I'm sure it's a lot of others, it's super common, but a lot of people don't know how to make it from scratch. And everybody else just buys the mixes when it's way better if you just make it at home. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today. Now, you could do just tequila, which is what we're gonna do today, but if like you wanted to make it how they do it like in bars, you would add triple sec, which is an orange liqueur. So it's kind of your preference whether you want to do that or not. But today we're just gonna use tequila. We're gonna be using the Hornitos bottle. It's a really good mid-grade. It's probably one of my favorites. It's definitely my go-to. It's not too expensive, and it's a really good flavor profile, like even for shots and stuff. So I would totally recommend that. Okay, so it has very little ingredients. You don't need that much stuff. So of course ice, because you need ice. And then just limes, the tequila and the triple sec if you want to add that, and simple syrup. Now simple syrup, it's super easy to make, and literally all it is water and sugar. I made it ahead of time, but what you do is you get a pot of water, you boil the water, and then you just add a crap ton of sugar into it, honestly. And it'll make, until it looks a little thicker, you want to add more sugar than you probably think you need. It's a whole lot of sugar. But you also get to kind of decide that if you wanted a sweeter simple syrup or not as sweet. If you need like a perfect ratio, you can always Google that. But I just get the sugar and I just pour it in there and I just keep pouring. I like to make it sweeter than not sweet because it lasts longer, especially if you have like a big group of people coming. If it's super sweet, then you only need a little bit instead of like needing a lot of it. So you definitely need the simple syrup. And then, like I said, just lime, tequila, and that's it. Okay, so I have a jigger, which are these things. That's the name for them. But you could also just use like a shot glass if you don't own one. But you just want like about a shot kind of ratio for the recipe. So I have my 2 shakers. There you go, Casamigos, so good. So we'll be using that to make it. If you don't have shakers, you can really just pour it in the cup and kind of get a straw and stir it around. It's a very low maintenance recipe. Like this stuff helps, but you don't even need it. What we're gonna start out by doing is squeezing some lime juice. So I got my lime for about a cup like this. You really only need 1 lime. If you want an extra lime, you could use 2. And if you have a bigger cup, of course, definitely use 2. But I'm just gonna use 1 lime. Well, before we do anything, I think we should start out with a shot first because I just know I shouldn't be making drinks unless I have a shot. So I'm gonna chill my shot. If you want, we can pause the video and y'all can take a shot with me. That would be fun. I have my boot. Let's get some ice. And I'm not gonna use the measure, I'm just gonna pour some tequila in there. I cut some limes earlier for this. I'm gonna strain it. If you have a strainer, it makes it easier, but you don't need one. Cheers. That's good. It really is good tequila. Like, it tastes like nothing. Okay, let's get back to the video. So, and I have a press, but if you don't have one, that's fine too. You can just use your hand, squeeze it in there. Like I said, there's things that make it easier, but you don't need any of it. So let's get our lime. We're of course gonna cut it in half. Get our press. And I like to put all of the contents in the taller shaker, and then the smaller one, just put the ice. You can throw the ice in. That's just my preference. You can kind of do it however you want. So let's get some lime juice in there. Now the next one. And I always do this. I'll stack them like that and then squeeze it one more time and then turn it. And you always get a little bit more juice out of it. And then you want to do about a shot and a half of tequila. If you don't like tequila that much, maybe just do a shot. If you are gonna do the same recipe, but you have triple sec to do it with, the ratio is a shot of tequila and a half shot of triple sec. So that's the only thing that would change in that recipe. And then you wanna add your simple syrup. The simple syrup, it's different for each person because it depends on how sweet, not only do you like your margarita, but how sweet you made the simple syrup. I will do probably about a shot and a half, which is a good kind of ratio for it. But that's how sweet mine is and how sweet I like my margarita. If you don't like your margarita as sweet, you can always put less simple syrup and top it off with maybe some Topo Chico or a seltzer water. That's always a good option. Then I'm gonna get some clean ice and get ready to shake. Now this is gonna be my glass. If you like it, if you like salt, sugar rim, sometimes I'll do, I make sugar and tahini and I rim it. You can do that if you want to. I'm not a big rim person, personally, but you could. Then I'm gonna get some clean ice for my glass. Okay, that's not gonna work. Maybe let's try this smaller one. Perfect. And then we're just gonna strain, here, 1 second. I actually have a strainer, so then we're gonna strain this right over it. Perfect. Hit it with a little lime wedge on the edge. And a little reusable straw, save the turtles. And there you have it. It is your perfect, I swear, it is the most perfect margarita. It's so good. It's better than any that you'll have in the restaurant. It's so much easier. It's stronger and cheaper. It could just be Taco Tuesday, a pool day, your girls are coming over, maybe you just want a margarita on the couch. But it is the perfect margarita. You can also make it in batches. Sometimes I'll get the pitcher and I'll just keep doubling up the recipe until it's full. Take it to the pool, pour everybody up. You really can't beat this margarita. This really is the way to go. It's super easy. You can't beat it. I make one almost every single day, if I'm being honest. We always have tequila in our house. Okay, if you made it to the end of this video, I hope you liked it. I can make more drinking videos like this. I love to drink, so I'm really good at it. Comment #save the turtles, hit that like, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.